In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Airtable without duplications. The goal here is simple. Bring your spreadsheet into Airtable and quickly spot any repeated entries so you can keep a clean, reliable table. Before you import anything, make sure your dataset includes at least one field that is truly unique for each record. Common choices are an email address, an order ID, or an invoice number. That unique field must be filled in for every row, and it should be formatted consistently. For example, avoid accidental spaces at the beginning or end, and keep capitalization consistent so the same value isn't treated as two different ones. This consistency is what makes duplicate detection work reliably. Once your file is ready, open your Airtable base and go to the table where the data should live. Click Add or Import, then choose Import a Spreadsheet. Select your file and review the column mapping. Double check that your unique field from the spreadsheet maps to the correct field in Airtable, and that you're not creating a new duplicate column by mistake. When everything looks correct, confirm the import and let Airtable pull in the rows. After the import finishes, it's time to detect duplicates. Add a new field and set the type to formula. Give it a clear name like duplicate count. In the formula editor, use count all values. This formula will count how many records share the same value when you group by your unique field. To make that work, group your view by that unique field so identical values sit together. The formula result of 1 means the value appears once, while anything greater than 1 signals duplicates. Now narrow your focus with a filter. Add a filter condition that shows only records where duplicate count is greater than 1. Your view will shrink to just the potential duplicates, making review easier. Go through these grouped entries, compare the rows, and keep the most complete or most up-to-date record. Delete the extras directly from the table. Take your time here. Accurate cleanup pays off later. If you remove the wrong record, you can undo the last action, so don't worry if you make a quick mistake. That's it. You prepared a reliable, unique field, imported the spreadsheet, used a simple formula with grouping to surface duplicates, filtered to only the problem rows, and then cleaned them up manually. This approach keeps your data dependable and prevents issues down the line. Repeat the same process for future imports to maintain a tidy Airtable base.